Alright, the purpose of this video is to show you how to use the Google Drive to scan your documents, and in particular to scan multiple items. So it works best on the phone, and so what you want to do is go to the Drive app. So I'll go to my Drive and then choose some drive. I have multiple drives, so I'm going to scan this into the class drive, it looks like. And so the plus here is what you want to click on, and then you want to choose the scan option right here, that little camera looking at option. Then you're going to center the object you're going to scan in the screen here. Now I've found it's best to leave a border all the way around the object that you're going to scan. The scan feature seems to do the best job when you do that. Then you click the blue button. Okay, so that if you only have a single document, then you go ahead and click the check mark, and then that's uploaded to your drive. Alright, so let's say you have a couple different options or objects, documents to scan. So let's say we want this, several pages of this one. So I'm going to click on the plus, I'm going to choose scan option, and I'll center it in the window. Click on the blue dot. Okay, now notice you have three different options here. The check is saying you're done. The arrows, the recycle it, you don't want that picture, it looks bad. And the plus, I want to add another one. And so now I can go ahead and put in the next document. Let's say the next document's this page. Center that, scan it. Then let's say I want another page. So there's our next page, center that one, scan it, and so on. You can do this for as many pages as you want. I'll put 4 pages together here. So let's say, there we go, that's the next one, plus. And that's my last page, so I've got a little bit of a border there. We're good. Alright, so 4 out of 4. So now that I'm sure that I'm done, I'll click the check, and it will upload that last document to the drive. Alright, so the next thing I'll do is I will show you how to put them together if you have multiple files that are already on the computer. So let me pause this. Alright, so now that I've got a couple documents on the drive, let's take a look at it. So these are the 2 documents that I scanned in. So I'm going to download those. And I'm just going to pick a couple other documents here to download as well. Let's get something out of one of our units here. That doesn't have much of anything in there, very nice. There we go. So we'll say we'll add this as well. And we'll get one more document. There we go. So what I have now in my download folder is some PDF files. And to hand in your assignments, I want them all in a single file. And one way to do that is to use the PDF split and merge. And so let me go ahead and open that up. And so if you use the split and merge here, no, I don't want that. What you're going to want to do is choose the convert option. No, that's not right. Choose the create option, and you want to combine files. And so I'm going to choose combine, and I'm going to add, and it's already set up for downloads, and so I'm going to add all of these. Now I could just check all of these, and it'll put them all, it'll load all of them. So see, they're all loaded here. And let's say that they're not in the order I want. I need this one moved up. So that's going to move that one to the top there. Let's say this one's also in the, actually, let's say this one needs to be moved down one, so I'll click down. So then it'll swap the 2 that's right around it there. And so once you get these in the order that you want, then all you have to do is click on combine. And here we go. Let's put them all in a document that is going to call combined result.pdf. And if I scroll down here, let me make this larger so you can see it. There we go. And if I scroll down here, these are all the pictures that I took, plus the files that I had from that I took off of our examples that we had. And so notice they're all a single PDF file, and it's ready to upload. So let me make this a little bit smaller here again. And so it's stars, so I'm going to make sure you save that. So I'm going to do save as, and I'll save it to my desktop just so I can delete it later. And now let's call this assignment 1. There we go. So whatever you need to name it. I did not rename it. Yeah, there we go. Okay, so assignment 1 on my desktop. Saved it. Now I can close this out. And if I move this over so you can see my desktop. There we go. So there's assignment 1. It looks like it also saved combined result, but if I click on assignment 1, there we go. It'll open it up in my PDF reader. And each one of these has been combined into one document. And so this is one way to create your single document if you need to do it. There are multiple programs out there. This just happens to be the one that I use. And if you have any other questions, be sure to let me know.